WhatsApp has announced the message editing feature. You can now edit your WhatsApp messages up to 15 minutes after they are sent. Until now, WhatsApp users had to either delete a message altogether or send a correction in a separate message. WhatsApp's competitors like Telegram and Signal have long offered the ability to edit messages. Even Twitter introduced the edit button for paid users last year. WhatsApp's this feature has started rolling out to users globally and will be available to everyone in the coming weeks. For editing the message, we need to long press on a send message and choose edit from the menu for up to 15 minutes after. Edited messages will display edited alongside them, so those you are messaging are aware of the correction without showing edit history. As with all personal messages, media and calls, the messages and the edits are protected by end-to-end encryption.